Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always are enjoying the videos. And we're back again for another video in the thank you series of Buy Me a Coffee. If you'd like to thank me and show your appreciation to the Robin Hood Dashcam editor, you too can buy me a coffee. To do so, all the information is in the comments and video description. All drinks purchased for will receive a thank you video. And this thank you video is to Stephen B. Thank you so much for buying me a coffee. Well, kind of a coffee. We're going back down the avenue of caffeinated drinks for sure, but after the Golden Eagle in the last video, I kind of fancied another oddity, and I brought this. I'm not sure if this is hell or hello, but we're about to have a can of hello or hell. Neither of which seem appetizing, but here we go all the same. It's the Football Fanatic Limited Edition. Aren't we blessed with all the good things, folks? Standard sort of stuff. Tutti frutti flavour this time. Plenty of sugar, plenty of chemicals, and yeah, you probably, if you're health conscious, be better off with a black coffee, but there wasn't one available, and for this price I thought, let's go. Yep, the usual yellowy, sugary, glucosey slop as always. If you are going to drink these, of course, drink them in moderation, but you don't need me to tell you that. Let's try the Football Fanatic Limited Edition. Down the hatch. That burns. Instant sugar. Not as nice as the Golden Eagle I had in the last video, but not bad. I think that was 75p. So, yeah, that's a pass from me. Yeah, it's a pass. Yeah. If you're in a bit of a tight squeeze and need something for under £1 and it's cheaper than Red Bull, go for hello. Anyway. It's a pass from me, but I do prefer the Golden Eagle. Right, that's it really. Thank you again so much to Stephen B for buying me a coffee. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, you're more than welcome to do so, and I'd greatly appreciate it. All the information is in the comment section and video description, of course. If you do buy me one, I will reward you and thank you with a thank you video. Anyway, that's all from now. Thank you so much. As always, the usual video compilations will be going out Friday at 4:30. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.